Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, what do you think when you hear the word Starbucks? Apparently the coffee, right? But this coffee brand Starbucks also work as an unregulated bank. Starbucks coffee working as a bank. Shocked, right? And that's what we are going to talk about in our today's video. The CEO of South Korea's third largest financial group stated that Starbucks is an unregulated bank and not a mere coffee company. He stated that we don't know what Starbucks will do next, what its goals are, or what it is planning to do in future. But the industry experts believe that Starbucks can go into asset management, currency exchange, loan, or in insurance sectors. Another official was quoted saying that Starbucks is a fintech firm. Starbucks, an American company that is the largest coffee house chain in the world, its headquarters are in Seattle, Washington. Starbucks was founded by Jerry Baldwin, Gordon Booker, and Jeff Siegel, opening its first store in 1971 near the historic Pike Place Market in Seattle. The three founders had three things in common. They all were from academia, they loved coffee and tea. They borrowed and invested some money to open the first ever store in Seattle and named it Starbucks, after they made Starbuck in Herman Melville's novel Moby Dick. There are a few things in our world that are so intertwined that using the two items or terms separately becomes impossible. One such pair is coffee and Starbucks. When we hear the word coffee, our minds immediately transport us to a Starbucks outlet where the scent of coffee beans entices us to purchase one of our favorite beverages. Starbucks allows you to put money into your Starbucks account on the app to make purchases digital and simpler. If you use the amount to purchase coffee, you will be awarded with reward points that may be claimed at a later time. Because Starbucks is such a global brand, 41% of its consumers pay with the Starbucks app. According to sources, there is a total of $1.5 billion in all the accounts combined throughout the world. As stated by experts, a wise investor never lets his money stay dormant and is continuously seeking for methods to expand his or her money. Similarly, rather than allowing the money in the Starbucks accounts to lie unproductive, the firm opted to put it to work in its investment endeavors. As a result, every time you deposit funds into the account, you are effectively lending your money to the company at 0% interest. Customers cannot withdraw the funds in the app and can only utilize them to make coffee purchases. As a result, Starbucks is able to get around several financial laws that would otherwise apply to other institutions. The Starbucks reward system is considered to be a brilliant move by the experts all over the world. It has aided the brand's growth even during economic downturns, as coffee shops are no longer completely reliant on market transactions. International banks are extremely concerned about the growth outlook of Starbucks in the finance space due to this act of brilliance. 1982. 29-year-old Howard Schultz was made the Director of Retail Operations and Marketing at Starbucks. He, along with his investors, purchased Starbucks in 1982, and he wanted Starbucks to be a coffee shop rather than a coffee bean store. After 5 years of Howard's takeover, Starbucks had grown to 140 locations and filed paperwork to go public by 1992. Fusion of cash allowed Howard Schultz to accelerate his already rapid expansion plan, and by 1996, Starbucks had opened its 1,000th store, and also it doubled in the next years and had grown to 2,500 stores in the next 2 years. As Starbucks is continuing to grow rapidly and has also gained a massive customer base support due to its consistency, the company has hired its CTO and also launched the Starbucks loyalty card. With the digital in focus, the company has paved to launch the Starbucks app on App Store and Play Store. Over the years, Starbucks customers, more and more, especially the regular ones, opted for depositing their money in the Starbucks account instead of paying through cash or credit card. This leads to fetching you for additional rewards and discount in the upcoming future, with your details being saved with the Starbucks. Starbucks users held a collective of $1.5 billion in the Starbucks account. This may not sound huge to everyone, but it may be significant when you consider that over 3,500 banks in US have less than $1 billion assets in total according to FDOI. The most beautiful Starbucks outlets in the world are respectively in Fuzhou, China, Paris, France, Toyama, Japan, Seoul, South Korea, Chicago, Illinois, Los Angeles, California, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Zurich, Switzerland, Kyoto, Japan, Mexico City, Mexico, Bali, Indonesia. As there are outlets all over the world, the Seattle based coffee chain said, store hours vary by location and stores may be occasionally adjusted their hours based on business and customer needs. We recommend customers look for specific store hours using the Starbucks app or visiting our website store locator. The Starbucks app continues to be the best way for customers to find a store, check store hours, order ahead, and use contactless payment. Starbucks, which boasts more than 18,000 stores in the US, Canada, and Latin America. If a Starbucks app user customer forgets their money in the bank or just does not use it for any purpose or leaves it unused, it is known as breakage income. Starbucks' annual report breakage income was found as $125 million, $155.9 million, and $124.6 million in 2019, 2018, and 2017 respectively. But it's important to remember that Starbucks is not like a regular legal bank. Hence, you cannot withdraw money for cash and can only purchase coffee with the money stored in your Starbucks account. Hence, the company allows to bypass financial regulations otherwise applicable to a regular legal bank. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, to hit the bell icon. And also, please don't forget to check out our book.